Here's how to create SEO friendly product blogs on Autopilot. By the way, if you want to automate your SEO blog articles, the link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out, and it is for free. You can book a call with me. I'll help you automate your SEO blog articles. With that said, how you create SEO friendly blog posts which are on products on Autopilot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Wow AI. By the way, link will be in the description. Now here inside the dashboard, this is the dashboard which it's going to show you. So just wait for it to load. So this is the dashboard. So here you want to click on SEO article, and here let's just enter a input. Now let me just go here and shoes under $500. Click on it, click on add keywords. By the way, you need to create an internal linking, external linking, and you can go to the edit input, and here if I go into the internal linking, I can add the sitemap for automatic internal linking, and for external linking I can turn on automatic external links, and this is how we do it. And I can also exclude the sources, and I can also add my own knowledge base if I have. So if I click here and I can select the knowledge base, but since these knowledge bases are not relevant to the keyword which we have given, so we simply put connect to the web, and here save changes, click on save changes. You can also add more keywords and click on generate article. So that's it. So in under a minute, the entire blog post about the product will be created, and with the whole images, brand new SEO article will be created. So let's just wait for it to complete the article. Okay, now that we can see we have got the article, so let's just click on it and click on the view article and click here, and this is the entire article produced by AI SEO agent with the complete information. Now we can see we even got the images, and so if I show you at the end, we even got the FAQs, and here we can also add a call to action. Right here we've got the meta description and also the title. And since we haven't defined any particular male, so we have got the both male and female without any gender restriction. So let me just show you what else this AI SEO writer tool offers. So if I select this, and we have got the option called ask AI, rewrite, add keywords, add links. Now if I click on add external links, what it does is it goes and read the paragraph and sees the possible chances of external link it can make. So here we have some suggestions. I can simply check the box to add it or uncheck the box to add it. That's it. I can also directly publish this article into the WordPress. So this is how you create SEO friendly product blogs on Autopilot. The link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. I'll help you with a free SEO strategy.